This recipe for lumberjack macaroni comes from the Catholic Universe Bulletin 1966-1967 Volume 3 recipe book. This recipe came from Mrs. James A. Gilchrist from Cleveland Heights. All you need for this recipe is an 8-ounce package of macaroni, 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup chili sauce, 3 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper to taste, and 3/4 cup hot melted butter. I'm using sharp cheddar cheese, but you can use your favorite cheese. And there's your recipe for lumberjack macaroni. Enjoy!